Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post a job on LinkedIn. So for this, go for your LinkedIn account. After that, go for jobs and scroll down a little bit and you can see here post a free job. For this, go for it. Okay, wait for a second. After that, you can see a page like this. Now you have to just uh, type here your job title. So I'll just type here. Okay. Now type here your company name. Okay. So here it is, my company. Now you can enter your workplace type. So I'll choose here on-site and type here your job location. Okay, now enter your job type, which is part-time for me, and you can just go for draft job post on my own. So this is the default description here, which is uh, right by AI. Then you can uh, enter or type your description. You can customize your description from here, and after that you have to just add your skills. So I'll just add here some skills. Okay, it's okay. Then go for next, and now you have to enter your email address. Then all skills that what you want for from your applicants. So just check it out and scroll down, and again you can add screening questions from here, add or remove anything. Okay, just and after that go for qualification settings and go for continue. Now you have to fill all these things, credit and debit card number or date, and just go for at last promote job. And this is how you can post a job on LinkedIn. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.